Today we are going to see these four formulas. The first formula is power. This is the first formula. This is power. Second formula is rand. Third formula is rand between. Fourth formula and last formula is transpose. So we will see how to use this formula and what is the function of this formula and what's the use of this formula. We will gonna see. So first formula is a power. So the function of the power formula is if we have to find the power of the given number. If my number is suppose 10 and I want to find the 10 to the power 2, so there is no other way to write how to calculate 10 to the power 2. So that's why we will use this power formula. So this power formula, so to use this power formula we just have to press equal button, then we have to enter power. let, let me resize, let me increase the size of this cell. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to just press equal, after pressing equal. Okay, wait, this formula has already applied, so I will cancel it from here. See, as you see, this is cancel. Okay, now to use power formula, just I have to just press equal button, then power button, then I have to type power, power, power. Then I have to activate the formula by double clicking on it or by pressing tab button. So I'll activate the formula by pressing tab button. So as you can see, the formula formula has been activated. So first parameter is I have to give a number. See, I will give the number 5, and after we have to apply comma. I applied comma, then I have to use the power. What power I have to find out? Suppose I have to find out 5 to the power 2. Then I will close the parenthesis, then after enter button, after pressing enter button, it will give the result of 25. As you can see, this is result 25. Similarly, take another example. Similarly, I will type power by pressing tab button. I will activate the formula, then I will give the number 9. I will give the number 9, and I will find the and I will give the power maybe 5. I have to now, in this formula I will find the fifth power of 9. What is the fifth power of 9? Then I don't know, it will take a very long calculation, but by using this formula, excel will give me the value in 1 second. So after enter, the value has came. So this is all about power formula. Second formula is rand formula. I don't know what happened to the here. Okay. Second formula is rand formula. We use rand formula to generate random values, but we have two rand formulas. This is rand and this is rand between. Okay, so what is the difference between these two formulas? So the first difference and the only difference in between these two formula has, in this rand formula only gives the random value between 0 to 1. I hope you understand. This rand formula only gives the value between 0 to 1. Okay, see, let's see how it's work. So we will press equal button, then we will type rand by keyboard, then by pressing tab button we will activate the formula, then we will simply close the formula. We don't have to give any parameters to this formula. Then by pressing enter button, see, it gives the value 0.3068, and we all know that 0.3068, it lies between 0 to 1. Each and every time you will apply the formula, it will no rand formula, it will give different value, but only in between 0 to 1. See, in many time if you again apply the rand formula, it will give you the value between 0 to 1, but all time it will give the different value. Okay, so the third one formula is rand between. This formula is used to find any random, to use to give any random number, or to use to generate any random number. Okay, simply take it as rand between formula is used. This formula is used to generate any random number between a given range. So user or we have to give the range. How to give the range? Okay, then just by pressing equal, we have to activate the formula. This is, as you can see, this is rand between. We have to double click on it, or just pressing tab to activate the formula. Then we have to give the bottom number means first number. Suppose I have to give first number is 10 and the second number will be 20, so it will generate the number between 10 and 20, means it will also between 10 and 20. See, it gave 10. Okay, it gave 10. Similarly, we will do it again, rand between. We will give the again 10 to 20, same parameters, and this time this formula will repeat another value, not 10. See, this given another value, and this value also changed. This value are also changing. Similarly, these values are also changing. Okay, transpose. Now we will see about transpose. Transpose will be used to transpose the data. Means we have to, if we have the column, write this in column, our data is in column, and if you want to convert that data in row manner, then we will use transpose. I will tell you in, wait, I'm opening the another sheet to show you how the transpose formula works. Okay, wait. Okay, we will see here. Okay, we will see here how the transpose formula work. So you can see, as you can see, this is my data, and my data is in column manner. See, serial number here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, name here, Marathi, Hindi, English, marks are here. So if I want this data in row manners, then I will use the transpose formula. Let's see how it works. So I will use sale or chatting or trying to is on protected. Okay, sorry, it is my protected sheet, so it won't work here. Let me open another sheet for you. Okay, this is my data, and I have to make it make transpose. So I will simply press equal button, then by transpose I will type transpose, then I will activate this formula by pressing tab button on my keyboard. I have activated the formula. Then it asks, the transpose formula asks for array. Array means all the range from this to this, all the range from this to this. Okay, the range has been selected. Then I will just close the bracket, and then we will see that this formula will come in row pattern. This is in now in column pattern, and after entering this, after I will press enter here, you will see that this table will come in row manner, as you can see, like this. As you can see, serial number, name, Hindi, in English. So that's why we use this like this. Okay,